insinuation that what has been happening of late, the Kingdom of Jesus Christ or KOJC leader Apollo Quiboloy is merely politically motivated did not sit well with one of the alleged victims who for several years now has been seeking justice against him. Meanwhile, the KOJC founder is seeking a legal remedy that will not only put him in a more comfortable detention arrangement, but also closer to home. How? Patrick De Jesus expounds in this report.
Wearing a ballistic helmet and bulletproof vest, KOJC leader Apollo Quiboloy arrived at the Pasig earlier today for his arraignment on the qualified human trafficking case. Other accused individuals, including Crescente Canada, Sylvia Semañez, Jacqueline Roy, and Ingrid Canada, also appeared for the reading of charges, along with Pauline Canada, who was arrested last July. Quiboloy and the others entered a plea of not guilty.
Yung pasensya talaga, wala kaming statement kasi ang kaso nasa korte na. Okay?
The complainant in the case, alias Amanda, also attended the hearing. She had previously testified before the Senate, detailing the alleged abuse she suffered from Quiboloy. Amanda's camp issued a statement emphasizing the case against Quiboloy was filed in 2019, dismissing any claims of political motivation. The pre-trial is scheduled for October 17. The court denied the motion to transfer Quiboloy to the custody of the AFP. According to the commitment order from the Pasig RTC, the 4 accused will be transferred to the Pasig City Jail under the BJMP. However, only Quiboloy was ordered to remain at the PNP Custodial Center in Camp Crame after filing a motion for hospital arrest in Davao. According to the PNP, a government medical doctor will first examine Quiboloy, who is 74 years old. Since his detention at the PNP Custodial Center, he has been taking maintenance medication. He also experienced a spike in blood pressure upon arrival almost a week ago.
In fact, dinadalaw po siya dyan ng kanyang personal physician po, maliban sa kanyang spiritual advisor po.
The PNP emphasized that should Quiboloy require medical attention, the PNP General Hospital at Camp Crame and the nurses at the Custodial Center are available.
Available po yung services po ng mga nurses po dyan, lahat po ng mga detainees po. So may mga regular po silang check-up, particularly those with the existing medical conditions po. That is precisely the reason kung bakit we cannot take hook, line, and sinker yung sinasabi nila na merong lingering illness or existing medical condition si Pastor Quiboloy. Kaya nga ang order ni Judge ay dapat siyang tignan ng isang government doctor.
Quiboloy also faced arraignment at the QC-RTC via video conference for a case related to child and sexual abuse. They also entered a plea of not guilty. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.